Need more animals. Need more animals. We miss our owner. We miss our owner.
It's Tubey toys.
Hey, Bingo. Yeah, Rolly? Bob looks kind of funny. I don't know. His eyes look weird. I just saw him pull up in the Arfmobile with a bunch of pups and kitties. Maybe he's inventing something, or maybe he's just watching the pups and the kitties for his friends. I don't know. I gotta ask Hissy. Oh, I love my bowl of yarn. I love my bowl of yarn. Hey, Hissy. Yes? You startled me. I didn't mean to. At least you weren't asleep. Hey, Hissy. We have a question. Yes? Looks like Bob has these weird glasses on. Yeah, and he has a bunch of pups and kitties that he keeps bringing him back and forth in the Arfmobile. That is strange. Let's go ask Arf. You called? Hey, Arf. Hello, Rolly. Hello, Bingo. Hello, Hissy. Would you like to play? No, we have a question. Would there be any reason why Bob has these weird hypnotic looking glasses on? They make him have like swirly eyes. I don't think those are glasses. I think he really is hypnotized. It looks like he is under some strange hypnosis. Hypnosis is a trance-like state that resembles sleep, but is induced by a person whose suggestions are readily accepted by the subject. Thanks, Arf. What can we do to stop him? What's that sound? Collect all animals.
That's right. But you have to collect all the dogs and the cats in town. Collect them all for me. If anybody talks to you, just tell them that you're wearing sunglasses.
Yes, Master.
Very good, Bob.
Going to get more.
Oh no, this is terrible. Oh, we really miss Allie.
I know, it's okay. It's gonna be alright. We'll get rescued. I could just feel it in my little heart. I just know it.
Yeah, but this is just too much now. Allie must be worried about us. But I gotta find her.
No, you can't go now. Someone's gonna come and rescue us. They have to. Yes, I think they will. Hopefully Allie can find us. Someone's gotta look on our collars. Puppies, cat. Uh-oh, here he is. Come with me, pups. No, that's okay, Bob. Come with me, pups. Oh no, I can't fight it. He's pulling me in. Help me, Bingo. At least I got my food bowl. Another puppy. Other puppies. Other puppies. Oh no, help. Bob, you cannot do this. You created me. Help. I can't fight it. Help me. Help me. Help me. Oh no, how are we gonna get away? He's gonna take us too. Let's go, pups. We're so smushed in here. Help, help. I see more animals inside those cages. This guy is really mean. Hello, everybody. He's not mean. He's just under some hypnosis. Our Bob is not mean at all. That's right. He's the sweetest guy ever. And he's the smartest inventor. Somebody overtook him. I don't know who it could be. Hopefully the Incredibles show up. They'll be able to help us. This looks like the place, Bob. You're right, Helen, but I don't see anybody or hear anything. Let me see if I could stretch out and take a look. There's no door in this house, Bob. Something's up. You're right, but I don't know what. I hear something. I hear whimpering. I hear that too, Bob. Where's it coming from? I see that Arfmobile that I saw at the park. Excuse me. Excuse me. He's definitely under Screenslaver's spell. He's not even responding now. Screenslaver knows we're here, and he'll be here very soon. We gotta get ready, Bob. If only the kids were here, they would be able to help us. We are here, Mom.
We are here.
Kids, who brought you here?
Frozone.
I knew my friends were in trouble. We gotta save these pups and cats. There's so many of them. All right, kids.
I could get Bob's hypnotized glasses off. Because I'm super fast, and I can do it super fast.
That's a great idea. You go do that, and we're gonna go collect those pups. Not so fast, everybody. You think you could just get away so quickly? Dash, hurry and go!
What happened?
You were overtaken by Screenslaver. Collect those pups. I got Screenslaver.
I'm not letting you guys go. I'm taking you guys back to your owners.
Ugh. You thought you could do that, Screenslaver? Oh no! Oh no, Helen! She's hypnotized, kids! Put a force field up around her to protect her. Got him. Everybody, Get together! All the pups are attacking Screenslaver. Let's take this mask off your mom. We gotta look on the collar and see who owns these adorable puppies and kitties. It looks like her name is Allie. They belong to Allie. We're gonna return them to you right now. Oh, good guys, we're ready to go. I told you it was time. We made it. All right, let's go. Oliver, see, I told you they would help us. You're right. Let's go. Wow, it's so nice. Everybody's back to normal. Bob, it was great to meet you. You're a good guy. It was great to meet you, Frozone. I have something for everybody. Come on into my house. I invented this new thing. It's a Mashem slide. Watch the slide, everybody. It's a Peppa Pig Mashem. Another Peppa Pig Mashem. Another Peppa Pig Mashem. An Incredibles Mashem. I have so many Mashems. Let's keep going. Another Incredibles 2 Mashems. Yay, more Mashems. That's to say thank you. Thanks for saving me and my pups and my cat. I really appreciate it. I really, 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 really do, everybody. You're welcome. No, don't mention it, Bob. From one Bob to another, you're welcome. We're gonna have so much fun opening these Mashems. That's right. Tubey, can you help us open them?
Yeah, I'm going to open up the first one now.
Hold on.
Who we get? Another Pedro Pony. We got Pedro Pony. Well, now let's give him a big stretch. He's like a giraffe now from that episode. Let's open up the next one. Oh, there we go. We got Danny Dog. We needed him. Squish, squish. Now stretch. Oh, a dog stretching. Now Incredibles 2. Oh my god. Oh, another Violet? We got her in one of the videos. Oh, I'm going to open up on the last Peppa Pig Mashem. Another Danny Dog. Alright. No more Peppa Pig Mashems, but 2 Incredible Mashems. Dash, I think you're going to like this. You're going to have to come over here, Dash, for you. A memory of yourself of a Mashem of your toy.
Oh, I love it.
Squish him and now stretch him. Now next Mashem. Oh my god. Dash, there's another one. There's another Mashem I want to give you. Another Dash.
Well, these are super cool.
This is everybody that we got in this video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And also ring that bell so you can be the first one to notification of our new videos. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.